Hey there, James here, and welcome to my review and bonuses video for AffiliEngine, which is now hot off the presses, so to speak. So here we have my review page, and the clock, as usual, is ticking. What is AffiliEngine? Well, it installs in seconds with a single click. Automates and deploys done-for-you sales funnels that can generate instant commissions in 60 seconds. Automatically follow up with your customers. Enables you to generate your first commission instantly. Helps anyone to make money. 100% newbie-friendly, enabling anyone to cash in without any marketing or technical experience required. Now, of course, we both know that's sales pitch, but I've taken a look at this, and I think it's pretty neat. And I believe it is true that anyone can do this. Of course, let me show you. Here's their sales page, of course. Here's the members area. Right now, just one product is loaded. There's a bunch of them, upsells. And you'll see that when you click on the sales page, you will see eventually that there are upsells. Of course, it just gets you deeper and deeper into the product. But here you have the product page. When you click on this here, it takes you to this page. It's got an explainer video, the backend review, or backend overview, opt-in page settings, thank you page settings, download page settings, email follow-ups, troubleshooting, all of that in one package. Plus, got a couple of bonuses here. Premium rush hour traffic, email conversion secrets. So for the price, you really can't go wrong. You got your members area, and then of course you've got support right here. You submit a ticket right here at the My Support desk. Okay, let me go back. Now, the videos, I've watched some of them, and they're pretty cut and dry. They're pretty to the point. But let me get you to the real reason why I have this video going. Not just to show you the product, which is a pretty neat product. Grab your discounted copy of AffiliEngine, install with one click, sit back and enjoy instant commissions. Now, nothing is as easy as 1, 2, 3. But if you put your head in this thing, and you focus, and you work it, you will make money. Now, no one can guarantee it. I'm not going to guarantee it. But of the products I've seen recently, this one's a real winner. And right now you can use the code $3 off to get $3 off. So you can't go wrong. Now that might not be there by the time you click to go to the page, but I found with these guys, they're pretty generous. And they keep that discount going for quite a long time. All right, and here are the guys, Lucas Chapeta, Kevin Byrne, and David Kirby. Now, I've known him for quite a long time. These guys are new to me. But if David's pairing up with them, I don't think you have a whole lot to worry about, because I trust David. He's got quality stuff that he releases, and he does it quite often, matter of fact. Okay, on to my bonuses. The juicy juice of this video. Okay, so I give this a solid 8 because nothing is super speedy results, but it is easy to do, and I think your value for the money, especially with that discount, is it's hard to pass up. Once again, the guys, here are the bonuses. Traffic Robot, which was only out a few short months ago. Okay, Viral Commission Machine. By the way, these bonuses are free access. Permanent free access to all of these previously released products that you had to pay for at one time. You're getting free access through me. Viral Commission Machine. And when you get to my page, which of course the link is below my video, you can go to the page, you can read these in more detail. I don't want to waste your time on the video reading all this stuff. Piggyback Cash System. Okay? 3-step profit machines. Traffic Robot 2, which was released even more recently, just like a month or 2 ago. And now you can get this puppy in case you missed it and you wanted to buy it. don't buy it. You can get it now for free because it's one of my bonuses. Okay, Auto Affiliate Machine, Video Crusher, another big one. Here's a personal bonus that I created. Basically, what I did was, about a year ago, I was reviewing a product. I found there was a loophole in it, something that was missing, even though it was a great product. So I read not long before that if you fill the void, you might get some decent sales from the deal. And hey, always looking for a way to increase my sales. This is my business. So just being honest. So what I did, this video explains exactly what I did to increase my sales, to insert a bonus for a certain product that was a good product that needed that bonus. Okay. Bonus 9 is a whole bunch of bonuses in one. You got 15 bonuses. And by the way, if you sign up people and by giving away free digital products, this is going to help you out. So warning, my bonus as of this recording expires in 5 days, but you don't want to wait that long. You want to get it right now. So is there a guarantee? Yes. Compatible with PC and Mac? Yes. Any monthly fees? No. Any supported training? Yes. And how do I lock in my discount? Well, click the button. Any one of these images right here takes you to the sales page. Read everything carefully. Make the decision. Don't buy through anybody else. Buy through me. Because through me, you're going to get, let me show you, all these bonuses right here. These really solid bonuses. Free access to all of these previous products that sold like hotcakes on Warrior and JVZoo. All right. Well, hey, thanks for listening. Once again, click the link below to get to my bonus page for AffiliEngine. Make that decision. Purchase for a very measly price your starter AffiliEngine and get cracking. The longer you wait, the longer it's going to take to get started. Obviously, because you won't have it in front of you. The sooner you click the link, purchase, get all my bonuses, which you're going to have fun when you those bonuses. By the way, I explained right down here how to access your bonuses, all the way down here. Okay, so I leave nothing out. Okay, well, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the inside.